Everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we are talking about economics, in which we are discussing about unemployment. So let's get into this video. Before moving towards the main, I would like to let you guys know about the definition first. Then we are moving towards the brief discussion part, that what is unemployment. So the definition says that unemployment is a state in which an economy is unable to create the required number of production labor force. The production labor force consists of individuals who are able and willing to work. So what we conclude from this definition is that there are a lot of labor of force, and they are unable to find jobs, you can say, unable to find employment. And the state is also unable to create the required number of employment for them, required number of production labor of force. Maybe there are a lot of reasons. We are discussing that in our types of unemployment later. So how you can calculate the unemployment rate? It is number of people unemployed divided by total labor force and multiply by 100, so we get unemployment rate. So the question is why there is unemployment, and why unemployment occur. So unemployment occur when a person who is actively seeking for employment but he is unable to find work. Like, unemployment is often used as a measure of the health of the economy. It is as important. The most frequent measure of unemployment is the unemployment rate that I already told about you. How you can calculate about unemployment rate. If I would talk about further about unemployment, high rates of unemployment are a signal of economic distress. But you can say that now even low rates of unemployment, like extremely low rates of unemployment, may signal an overheated economy. This is very important because neither a very high unemployment rate or neither a very low unemployment rate is good for the economy. Unemployment is a very key economic indicator because it signals the inability of workers to readily obtain gainful work to contribute to the productive output of the economy. More unemployed workers means that there is less total economic production will take place. If we talk about unemployed worker will need to maintain at least subsistence consumption during their period of unemployment. This means the economy with high unemployment has lower output without a proportional decline in the need for the basic consumption. On the other hand, high persistence unemployment can signal serious distress in an economy, and even led to you can say that social and political upheaval. So it is all about that why a particular economy is unable to create the required number of production labor of force. So now we are discussing about there are a lot of developing countries which consist of the population of their country mostly consist of youngsters. So there are a lot of labor force that is involved. And if we talk about that, there are a lot of individuals who are not considered to be a part of the labor force. If you say that, if you assume that the whole population is calculated as an individual for unemployment, but no, there are individuals who are not considered to be part of the labor force, you can say children's, then individuals who are individualized, and you can say persons who are individualized, in prison and mental hospitals. They are not mentally able, individuals who are not able to do a full-time work. Example of full-time work, homemakers, you can say that, and retired persons as well. So these are not part of the labor of force. So this is the video for all of you. Hope you learn about unemployment. We are talking about types of unemployment in our next video. If you want to know about unemployment more, do watch that video. I attached the link here. So this is it for this video. Hope you like it, hope you understand it, and it sound easy for you. So Do subscribe our channel Knowledge Dropper if you like this, and also like our Facebook page. And I also made a group of Knowledge Dropper, so do join that. You found a lot of material, a lot of useful things there, a lot of useful videos there. So this is it for this video. It's time to say bye bye. Thank you so much, everyone.